So we have a really quick little weekend DIY for you. When we first bought these lounge chairs, they were so gorgeous. I wish I had pictures of what they looked like originally, but they were the prettiest natural teak color ever. Unfortunately, we never covered them up during the winter, and here in San Diego, the sun can be a bit harsh. They were faded, the stain was worn away, and they were in desperate need of a facelift. So we decided to freshen them up this weekend. First thing we did was wash them down with our power washer. This not only cleans up all the dirt and grime, but it also strips them down so they require very little sanding afterwards. We used some 220 grit sandpaper and just lightly went over the main surface area. Once that was done, I just wiped them down and got rid of all of the extra dust. Next, it was time for the magic. We used our new paint zoom sprayer and honestly did not know what to expect. Fortunately, this was so easy to set up and to use. You just fill up the container with your desired paint. You replace the lid, the nozzle, connect the hose, and it's pretty much ready to go once you plug it in. The paint goes on so smooth and so effortlessly. The coverage is amazing with very, very little overspray. And just like that, instant gratification. It's amazing what a coat of black paint can do. The lounge chairs look brand new and really freshen up the backyard space. I love how easy this project was thanks to the new paint zoom sprayer.